A pre-owned 2008 Ford Edge SEL. This four-door SUV has a six-cylinder, 3.5-liter V6 engine with all-wheel drive and an automatic transmission. This Ford has less than 266,000 kilometers on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 15 miles per gallon in the city and 22 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, speed-sensitive volume control, power windows, rear privacy glass, window defogger, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, battery saver, airbags, anti-lock brakes, child seat anchors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.
Thank you for choosing First Canadian Auto Sales and Service.